Welcome back, travelers. Negros Island is known as the Sugar Bowl of the Philippines, but it is also a land of unmatched beauty where white sand beaches meet majestic mountains and vibrant city life blends with rich culture and history. In part 1, we explored the charm and natural wonders of Negros. Now, in this video, Negros Travel Guide Part 2, Tips and Tricks. I'll share practical advice to help you travel smarter, save more, and experience the island like a local. Hi guys, welcome back. For those who of you doesn't know me, my name is Ellen Buchanan from Heading Out, and welcome to today's episode of my channel. So for the first tips and tricks when traveling in Negros, timing is everything. The best months to visit Negros are November to May, during the dry season, when the weather is perfect for beaches, waterfalls, and road trips. If you want to experience culture at its finest, plan your trip around January for the Sinulog and Dinaxa festivals or October for the Mascara Festival in Bacolod. But remember, festival seasons mean bigger crowds. So book accommodations early. And here's a bonus. Even in the rainy months, the island has its charm. Fewer tourists mean you can enjoy attractions more peacefully. Just keep an umbrella or raincoat handy. Tip 2. Transportation in Negros is diverse. Within the city, you can ride jeepneys, multicabs, and tricycles, cheap and accessible. For longer trips, vans and Sears buses connect Bacolod, Dumaguete, and nearby towns. If you want flexibility, renting a scooter or motorcycle is the best way to explore hidden beaches and mountain roads at your own pace. Always carry small bills for fare, as many drivers do not have change. Pro tip, if you give a driver a 1,000 peso bill for a 15 peso ride, prepare for the legendary eyebrow raise. A trip to Negros wouldn't be complete without visiting Apo Island. It's one of the best spots for snorkeling and diving in the Philippines, where you can swim alongside sea turtles and explore colorful coral reefs. But when the sun goes down, the adventure doesn't stop. Head back to Dumaguete Boulevard and you'll find a vibrant nightlife scene, from food stalls to cozy cafes and even acoustic nights where local artists play under the stars. It's the perfect mix, adrenaline under the sea and relaxation by the shore at night. Trip to Negros is incomplete without food. In Bacolod, try the crispy, juicy lechon kawali, golden on the outside, tender on the inside, and dangerously addictive. And of course, sisig, a sizzling, crunchy, and savory dish best enjoyed with rice or a cold drink on the side. Seafood lovers will also be happy here, with fresh fish, crabs, and oysters available in coastal towns at prices that won't hurt your wallet. For a truly Filipino experience, gather your friends for a boodle fight, a feast where rice, seafood, meats, and veggies are all laid out on banana leaves and everyone digs in with their hands. Food here is more than just a meal, it's part of the culture. Pro tip, during a boodle fight, eat fast because in this kind of battle, the slowest eater goes home the hungriest. And for the last tip, if you're looking for something unique, don't miss Pulang Bato, also called the Red Rock Waterfalls. The striking red stones make the water look even more magical, and the area feels like a hidden paradise. After a refreshing dip, you can enjoy a simple iha-iha meal right by a nipa hut, grilled fish, pork, or even just some street-style barbecue. It's the perfect mix of nature and local comfort. My tip? Go during the morning or late afternoon when it's less crowded so you can truly soak in the peace and beauty of the place.
Well, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed your trip, and if you were thinking of going to the Philippines or visiting any other islands in the Philippines, please check out our QR codes for flights and accommodation discounts. So enjoy you guys, and I hope to see you soon here in the islands of the Philippines, and I'll see you in our next adventure.
Negros is more than just a destination. It is an experience of nature, culture, and unforgettable hospitality. So, whether you're chasing waterfalls, enjoying street food, or joining a colorful festival, these tips and tricks will help you make the most of your adventure. This was Negros Travel Guide Part 2, Tips and Tricks. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Stay tuned for more travel guides, and until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep discovering the beauty of the Philippines.